Fundamental analysis of cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires careful research and evaluation of all available metrics. Most projects will provide sample information about the purpose of the coin, the team behind the currency, and its development to date. Using a combination of quantitative and qualitative factors, you can derive a view on crypto using fundamental analysis. Understanding fundamental analysis helps you evaluate whether a cryptocurrency is worth buying or selling. We'll take you through how to analyze cryptocurrency using fundamental analysis, including the key factors to consider, and look at how cryptocurrency analysis is different from the traditional asset analysis. What is fundamental analysis? As we go in brief of fundamental analysis, we are requested to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Fundamental analysis occurs when a potential investor attempts to determine the real value of an asset. This is done by using all publicly available information about the asset to assess how financially rewarding it will be to own. News about the asset or the economy will reshape fundamental analysis-based estimates. Investors assume that an asset will gravitate towards its fair market value over time, so if the result of the fundamental analysis is different from the current market price, then there is a trading opportunity. Good fundamental analysis allows investors to buy assets that are undervalued and sell those that are overvalued. Fundamental analysis determines the intrinsic value of an asset, which is meant to be an objective measure of its worth. Evaluating the underlying information about crypto projects provides guidance on whether the coin is undervalued or overvalued as an asset. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile. Even established currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are subject to sudden fluctuation. Investing in newer coins and tokens comes with significant risk unless you understand what you're putting your money into. Performing fundamental analysis enables non-technical investors and seasoned traders to trade market movements with confidence. Armed with fundamental analysis, traders can create informed strategies with better odds of profitability, as compared to technical analysis is helpful for traders and investors who have an open interest that aims to forecast the financial market direction through the use of technical indicators. In 1934, Benjamin Graham and David Dodd published Security Analysis, which is often considered the Bible for securities valuation. To this day, investors test financial assets using the metrics explained in their classic book. For example, when evaluating stocks quantitatively, you can use earnings per share, EPS, or the price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, to determine the intrinsic value of a share. Cryptocurrency isn't necessarily subject to international regulation when it comes to reporting requirements, unlike publicly listed companies that often have to make quarterly reports using recognized accounting standards. Traditional business metrics, like liquidity ratios that look at the solvency of conventional companies, go out the window. The entire ethos is that no single company or entity is meant to own or be responsible for the project, and the information flow takes on a different nature. Within crypto markets, all transactions can be publicly audited on the blockchain, and the founding team must keep the community informed of their roadmap. Conceptually, investors still need to develop insights into the underlying project, but the metrics are completely different from those used for analyzing traditional markets. Fundamental analysis can be applied in three broad categories: blockchain metrics, on-chain metrics. The blockchain is a valuable resource. Financial metrics. The goal of fundamental analysis is to produce a quantitative value for an investor to analyze the prospect of an asset. By assessing crypto financially involves understanding the trading conditions of assets, including their liquidity, surrounding factors, and market response. All of these proves to be valuable crypto fundamental analysis, especially when assessing the prospect before formulating an investment plan. Market capitalization, market cap. The market capitalization value is the representation of a network's value. It can be calculated by multiplying the current price by the supply of coins in circulation. Market capitalization can offer misleading valuations if you fail to factor in other metrics, such as liquidity. After all, a poorly circulated altcoin with a total supply of 50 million and a handful of transactions exchanged at $1 doesn't mean that each one of those coins is worth $1. In general, investors may believe that low market cap coins have higher growth potential, though high market caps can also point to stronger infrastructure and lasting power. Even though forgotten currency, lost wallets, and irretrievable keys mean that we'll never really know precisely how many coins are in circulation, market capitalization offers an approximation for a coin's network value. However, quantitative analysis is great to give investors an overview of the financial metrics, considering the factors that can be measured numerically. However, it does not capture the company's aspects or risks unmeasurable by a number. That is especially when crypto is a target market with such a wide range of external factors to be considered. That said, social politics and user behavior can greatly impact the business fundamentals surrounding an asset. As institutional demand for crypto grows, traditional methods of valuing cryptocurrencies justify their trading prices. Understanding fundamental analysis in crypto is a slightly different ballgame from traditional markets, but the resources available are also expanding. Liquid exchange platforms, crypto trading bots, and active communities all contribute to a flourishing ecosystem. As with any investment, it is important to do your due diligence. Investors who do careful research and fundamental analysis can profit handsomely in cryptocurrency markets. Information and research mitigate investment risk. So do your homework and diversify your investment portfolio. So that's all for this video. We hope you will get great knowledge about crypto analysis. Bye for now, see you in next video.